Now I want to show you how to share your screen with your students, but especially if you want to share audio with them. So if you have a video that you want to play or a podcast, something that you want them to listen to, um, there's an extra step that you have to take when you're sharing to make sure that they can hear what you hear. So when you have your Zoom window open and you go to click on the green box for share, you'll see your options. You want to make sure that screen is selected here, but you want to come down here into the bottom left-hand corner. Mine is already selected, but if it's not selected, you want to make sure that you just click on it where it says Share Computer Sound. And what this does is when you have this clicked, it means that your students will be able to not only see your screen, but they'll be able to hear what you're hearing. So you'll be able to share the audio with them. So once you make sure you have that clicked, then click here on the blue share button and it'll start sharing your screen. I happen to have my YouTube video all ready to go, so I'm going to play it and hopefully the students will hear what I'm hearing on my side. So when you're finished playing, you can just stop, pause, whatever you need to do to interact with your students, and they should be able to hear what you're doing. So remember, um, you want to make sure that this option, Share Computer Sound, is clicked when you go to share, and that way your students will be able to hear what you hear and what you want them to hear.